Welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, brought to you by the Center for Teaching and Learning Excellence. Today, we will guide you through copying course components from another offering. First, we will navigate to the following link. Select on Course Tools. Afterwards, we're going to select the option for Import, Export, Copy Components. Under the What Would You Like to Do heading, we're going to select the Search for Offering option. In the search bar, you will search for the course that you want to copy from. You'll want to include the term "if possible." Once you've found the correct course offering, we're going to select the radio button located on the left side. Afterwards, you'll want to select the option located at the bottom of the screen for Select Components. Then select on the checkbox next to Content field. If there are other content items such as discussions, quizzes, or any other content items that you would like to copy, you may select those as well. Select individual items to copy. Once you have all the items selected to copy, select the Continue button located at the bottom of the page. We're going to select the icon next to Start Here to expand it to show all the topics. Select whichever content item you would like to copy over. We will select Continue afterwards to finish copying the course components. Thank you for joining us today for another Tech Tip Tuesday. We hope that you find this tip helpful. Thank you for watching and join us next week for our next Tech Tip Tuesday, brought to you by the Center for Teaching and Learning Excellence at St. Leo University.